welcome to MS Yoga with Paula. You know, you hear me talk about, or any yoga teacher talk about shoulder blades. And I've always been amazed at how little awareness I have had of what body parts I actually have, how to use them independently. And shoulder blades are I have found to be one of the trickiest. So I have a couple of things to do with you today that will help you develop your shoulder blade awareness, which will help you keep your shoulders from climbing up to your ears. Or if it doesn't help keep them climbing up, at least you know how to bring them back down. So the first thing is, do you remember how when we talked about sitting in a chair, I suggested that you put a block at your shoulder blades, and that will be supported by the back of your chair. So when the block is at your shoulder blades, you can get some feedback on what your shoulder blades are doing. Even if you just do this, you should be able to feel some movement against the block. If you don't, then bring it up a little bit higher and see how that works. Just swing your elbows forward and back, and you'll be able to feel something in your shoulder blades. And now, holding the block this way, draw your shoulder blades into the block that's behind you, and just move forward and back and forward and back. And you can feel your shoulder blades and develop awareness just by having that block behind you and having that block in your hand so that you keep your arms together. Now here's the challenge. Put the block down, bring your arms out in front of you, thumbs up, and bring your shoulder blades into that block again. Now our tendency is to do this, but what we want is to keep our arms very straight and just bring our shoulder blades into the block that's behind us. Put the block down, bring your shoulder blades into the block that's behind you. You know, it seems simple, right? But it takes a lot of focus, and I know that you have it. It takes work, and you're worth the work. So all that you do it with joy, do it with love.